I already sketched out my little thing. What's up, my fellow paint slayers? Today we've got another Arteza review on their pan watercolors. Now, this is the first time I've ever played with real pan watercolors. I've used the, dollar store ones before doing some other project or whatever. I gotta tell you, these are pretty dreamy. Now, again, I would like to disclose that I am not a watercolorist, and I would tell you the truth. If I didn't like the product, I would absolutely tell you the truth. You guys should know, if you know me, you know that is truth. I would tell you if I thought they sucked. But I thought that they mix well, the colors are vibrant, they don't dry all cloudy and milky. I just really enjoyed putting this piece together. And again, we've got another little Halloween whip here for you. And that's starting to look like an eyeball. It was really gonna be the moon, and then it turned into an eyeball. And then I thought, well, that's kind of cool. It's an eyeball staring at the owl. So I just went with it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm giving this product a big thumbs up. We're leaving a link in the description if you would like to order them. Please use the link. It's an affiliate link, so we do make a commission. But again, I wouldn't put it there if I didn't really think these were great. And they've got a great deal going on these right now. So, and then look forward to a few more whips later on in the week, because I'm just having so much fun drawing these little illustrations. I didn't even know I had this in me. Oh, look, I'm doing the alley now. Oh. Give us a big like, because this one's gonna be cool, okay? Do that right now, and then finish watching the video. Okay, so that's it. I found these Arteza pan watercolors to be just as easy to use, if not easier, than the watercolor pencils. They actually were a little more blendable. I really thoroughly enjoyed it, and I thought I was, you know, I was under the impression that I might not like them as much simply because they didn't have as many colors offered, but again, you know, I was able to mix any color that I wanted. I played with some there in the pan. I think that I just love the little watercolor brush pen that it comes with, so I didn't have to constantly dip back into water. And I just thought they were amazing. I really enjoyed using them, and I'm going to use them on some future little illustration projects. So don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Love, Rio.